Dear Flow Fellows, I would like to welcome you to our how-to video series. My name is Ricardo Böhme and I'm working as an application engineer for our flow measurement products here at SICK. Today we would like to talk about the FlowSig 500 gas flow meter, and I would like to show you how to rotate the display unit. To begin with rotating the display unit, we will need to open the display cover. Therefore, we will need to loosen the 4 screws at the covering of the housing with an Allen key and open the cover. Now you are facing the inside of the FlowSig 500. Next step is to loosen the 4 screws of the display unit with an Allen key. Please check the display seal for intactness and correct fitting. When the display seal is damaged, a new seal will be required. Now you can rotate the display unit in the desired direction and reposition. If the display is in the correct position, you can start tightening the display screws evenly. After that is done, close the electronic cover again. Make sure that no battery and the display cable will be pinched. Finally, screw the electronic cover tight again and use a tightening torqueur of 2 Nm. We have reached the end of our video how to rotate the display unit of the FlowSig 500 gas meter. I would like to thank you for your attention. If you have any open questions, please feel free to contact your local SICK subsidiary. Please refer also to the user manual and operating instructions. Thank you for choosing SICK and stay healthy.